Welcome back to Kong Academy. We are here at the McMurdo Research Facility in Antarctica, and oh no, the power's gone out. We're gonna need to replace those power crystals before the base freezes and puts everyone's lives in danger. Our mission is to find replacement crystals in a nearby cave so we can replace the power before it's too late. We're gonna have to give our very best effort, and giving often means stepping up to help others even when it's really challenging. Let's give it everything we got to save this base and everybody, because they're counting on us. There is no time to lose. Let's go. Start running. Steam from these vents are backing up from the power outage. Look out! Oh, look out! Look out! Get to the left! Get to the right! The cave that we need is up just ahead. Now let's focus on giving our best effort, because the more effort that we give, the stronger we become, and people are relying on us. Come on, let's go! When we focus more on giving, we gain more than we ever could have imagined. Polar bear, get down! Now get up and run! That polar bear is charging! Go, 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 go! Try zigzagging around. Whew. The wind is picking up. Duck under that Arctic blast. Ice break! Jump as high as you can! Watch out for those claws! Look out for that polar bear! Jump to the right! The ice is breaking! Jump as high as you can! Arctic blast! Duck! The ice is breaking! Jump as high as you can! Look out for that polar bear! Jump to the right! The ice is cracking! Jump to the left! Arctic blast! Duck! Polar bear! Get down! Did you know that Antarctica is actually a desert? It hardly ever rains or snows here, making it actually a polar desert. Look out for that polar bear! Jump to the right! Ice break! Jump as high as you can! Duck under that Arctic blast! The ice is breaking! Jump as high as you can! Watch out for those claws! The ice is cracking! Jump to the left! Arctic blast! Duck! The ice is breaking! Jump as high as you can! Start doing tuck jumps. Don't let the freezing water touch you. Did you know that Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth? Getting colder than negative 128 degrees Fahrenheit? It's so cold. All right, start running. Blizzard, move like crazy, run around, twirl, dance, jump, squat, do whatever you have to do to stay warm, but keep moving. Now freeze, stop moving. Blizzard, just move your body like crazy so we don't freeze. Now freeze, stop moving. Blizzard, move like crazy. Run around in circles, jump high, squat low, keep moving, freeze. Stop moving. Freeze like you just turned into ice. Don't move 1 inch. Blizzard, you gotta keep your body warm. You gotta keep moving. Now freeze. Stop moving. Start running. We're almost to the ice cave. We just gotta get past this glacier. Look out. Ice boulders are falling. Jump to the right. Get to the left. Dodge. Careful. Penguins ahead. Jump over them. Jump up. Don't hit that penguin. Jump up. Get to the right. Get to the left. Jump over those penguins. Look out. More ice boulders. Get to the right. Get to the left. Let's give those penguins some space so we show that we care about their safety too. Kindness is not just for people, it's for everybody. Haha, we made it to the ice cave. Great job, everybody. Give yourself a pat on the back. You know what? As a matter of fact, let's even have a penguin dance party. All right, come on now. We've got people counting on us. Let's go. Start running. We've got to get back before the base freezes. Icicles, get down! Man, those things are sharp! Ice spikes, jump up! Keep running, you're doing amazing! Falling icicles, get to the left! Keep going! Oh, icicles, get to the right! Look out! Icicles, get to the right! Look out! Get to the left! The more we give, the more we grow. And the more we grow, the more we can make a difference. Let's give our best effort so we can truly make a difference and help our friends. Keep running and solve this maze. Which way should we go to get to the ice crystals? When we stop focusing on what we can get and we start focusing on what we can give, amazing things happen for us. Give your best effort. Hey, is that dynamite? We should grab it. Maybe that's gonna come in handy. Start crawling. Move on your hands and on your feet. Don't use your knees, hands and feet only. This cave is getting really low. Hey, we found the power crystals. Let's grab as many as we can so we can power up the base and we can survive the cold. Come on, let's go. Start running and grab as many of those crystals as you can. Ice spikes, jump up. Reach out and grab them as we pass them. Look out! Icicles, get to the right! Reach up to the left. Reach to the right. Get to the left! Grab that crystal. Grab that one. Another crystal, grab it. Icicles, get down! Man, those are sharp. Ice spikes, jump up! Look, a crystal, grab it! Look out! Icicles, get to the right! Keep running, you're doing amazing. Crystals, grab them! Oh man, there's a lot of crystals. Grab as many as you can. What's going on? Is that an earthquake? Oh no, it's an ice golem! Ice blast, get down! Boulders incoming! Get to the right! Ice blast, get down! Now to the left! Get to the right! Boulders incoming, jump left! Right! Left! More boulders, jump right! Look out! Icicles! Run to the right! Run to the left! Look out! Jump! Run left! Run to the right! Ice blast! Get down! Another blast! Get down!
I want those crystals. Give them all to me, or I will destroy you.
We need them to save our friends back at the base, but there's enough for both of us to share.
I don't care about your friends. I only care about what I want, and I'll crush you to get them.
Boulders incoming! Get to the right! Now to the left! Jump to the right! Left! Right! More boulders! Jump to the left! Right! Left! Another blast! Get down! Boulders incoming! Get to the right! We can share. Real strength comes from giving, not from taking. Here, you can have some of our crystals.
Help others? That's pointless. The only thing that matters is getting what I want. No one else matters.
Greed doesn't make you stronger, it causes you to end up alone. These crystals could save lives, and you could show how strong you are by giving. Run to the right! Run to the left! Look out! Jump! Run left! Run to the right! The cave, it's falling apart! We're gonna have to get out of here now! Start running, we gotta get out of here before this cave comes down on top of us! Icicles, get down! Man, those things are sharp! Jump up! Run to the left! Run to the right! Look out! Jump! Icicles, get down! Look out! Jump! Run to the right! Run to the left!
You won't get away! Give me those crystals! I want them! Give me! Give me! Give me!
If you only focus on getting, you lose what truly matters. Giving helps everyone, including you. It's not too late to do the right thing. Keep running and solve this maze. Which way do we go so we can escape these ice tunnels? Now how do we get out of this maze? Give yourself a nice, slow, deep breath to help you concentrate. Run as fast as you can!
I'll bury you in this cave!
That's it! Throw your dynamite! Ugh! We did it, you guys! We escaped the ice golem and we got our ice crystals! By giving your best effort, you became stronger and made a real difference. Remember, the secret to living is giving, and every act of giving helps make the world a better place. Now that we have the crystals, we need to get back and restore the power at the base before the temperatures drop too low, putting everyone in danger. Hey, we're getting a message from the base. Start running! Yetis are attacking the base, and we need to get there so we can rescue everybody before it's too late. Go, 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 go! Duck under those branches. Jump over that log. Look out for that wolf. Watch out! Get to the right! Give your best effort so we can help our friends. Even when it's hard, giving your best effort shows how much we care. So now, come on, let's go cut through this forest. Look out for that wolf! Duck under those branches. Lay down! Lay on the ground quickly! Do you guys see that yeti? Shh, hopefully he doesn't spot us. He sees us! Start running! He's fast, and those teeth and claws, they look really sharp. Come on, we don't want to get caught by him. Move, move, move! Run as fast as you can. Timber, get down! Look out for those branches, jump up! Look out for his claws, jump left! Look out for those claws, jump right! You're doing amazing, keep it up. Only when we give our best effort can we make a real difference. You can do this, let's go! Look out for those claws, jump right! Look out for his claws, jump left! This maze of trees is tricky, but if we stay sharp, we'll find a way out and escape this yeti. Give yourself a nice, slow, deep breath. It always helps calm your mind and body. Now, which way should we go to get to the research station? Quickly, hide! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Shh! Blizzard, move like crazy, run around, twirl, dance, jump, squat, do whatever you have to do to stay warm, but keep moving! Now freeze! Stop moving! Blizzard, just move your body like crazy so we don't freeze! Now freeze! Blizzard, move like crazy! Run around in circles, jump high, squat low, keep moving, freeze! Stop moving, freeze like you just turned into ice. Don't move 1 inch. Blizzard, you gotta keep your body warm, you gotta keep moving. Freeze like you just turned into ice. Don't move 1 inch. He found us! Go, go, go! Run as fast as you can! Run as fast as you can! Timber, get down! Look out for those branches, jump up! Look out for his claws. Jump left. Watch out. Get to the right. Look out for those branches. Jump up. Get down. Jump up. Look out for those claws. Jump right. Look out for his claws. Jump left. Quickly. Find somewhere to hide. Make sure he doesn't see us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I think we're gonna be safe. Come on, let's get back to the research lab. All right, the base is locked down, so we're gonna have to solve these puzzles to open up the door. Hold these poses on the scanner so we can open up the door. Hold this pose. Excellent. Now try to be as still as you can and hold this pose. Great, and now this one. All right, last pose. Give it your best.
Access granted.
You did it! The base is open, but the base isn't safe yet. Come on, we gotta move quickly. Start running. We gotta get that power turned on before the temperature drops any more. Duck under that pipe. Don't get zapped by that wire. Jump. Watch out, more steam. When things get tough, giving your best effort and focus is how we can move forward. Look out, more wires. Jump up. Duck under that pipe. When things get tough, focus on giving your best effort. People are counting on us, and you can do this. He followed us! Run faster! Go, go, go! Duck under that pipe. Don't get zapped by that wire. Jump! Look out for his claws. Jump left. Look out for those claws. Jump right. Look out. More wires. Jump up. Duck under that pipe. Jump up. Get to the right. Look out. Get to the left. Keep moving, guys. Whoa, look out. He hit his head on that pipe. Now's our chance. Let's get to the power room. All right, we made it to the power room. Now let's replace the crystal and get the power turned back on. Our crystal broke. Can you help me put the pieces back together? Which piece does this piece connect to? Take a deep breath and focus. Which one does it fit to? What about this piece? Can you connect the right piece to this crystal? Excellent, our crystal is put back together. Now we need to connect the right wires together in order for us to activate the power. Red to red, blue to blue, green to green, yellow to yellow. Now connect these wires. Hey, you did it! Nice job! The power's back on! Uh-oh, a King Yeti! He's even bigger and angrier than the others. But if we can defeat him, all the other Yetis will leave the base. Dodge his slam attack, look out! Dodge his slam attack, look out! Look out for that Yeti's attack! Jump left! Get to the right! Jump left! Get to the right! Dodge his slam attack, look out! Quickly, throw one of our crystals at him! Grab a crystal and yeet it at that Yeti! Look out for that Yeti's attack! Jump left! Get to the right! Jump left! Get to the right! We're making great progress. Now give your best effort. Throw as many as you can. Throw as fast as you can. Go! Look out for that Yeti's attack. Jump left. Get to the right. Jump left. Get to the right. Keep throwing. Aim high. All right, well done. The power's back on. We defeated all of the Yetis, and the base is now safe. Remember, when we focus on giving, we grow into the best versions of ourselves, and we can truly help those that really need us. So how else can you give today? Now take what we've learned and go out there and make the world an even better place. I'll see you next time. Hey, want to have even more fun? Then check out our free online kids club. Check out this QR code or go to kongacademy.org/adventure, and I will see you there.